How to fix Snapchat not sending notifications on your Android device. First of all, you should directly go and check notification settings for Snapchat. Go ahead and locate Snapchat, tap on it, and click on its settings. Once you go to its settings, go ahead and go to notifications. Then, if the notifications is not allowed, go ahead and tap on it once. And then the notifications will then be allowed. If not, you can always go to permissions. Go ahead and go to permissions, scroll a bit down, and you can see the notification section. Go ahead and tap on notifications. Then you can either enable or disable the notifications according to your wish. If this is still not working, I suggest you to locate Snapchat, tap on it, and click on its settings. Once you do that, you can see the option of force stop at the bottom right corner. Just go ahead and hit the force stop icon once and click OK. Once you do this, hit the storage icon or the storage settings. Then you can see cache has been stored. Go ahead and click on clear cache and delete the cache. Now try opening Snapchat and you might be getting notifications from it as well. So guys, this is how easy it is to fix the Snapchat not sending you notifications on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.